How to fix Truecaller app version not supported problem. So if you want to fix Truecaller app version not supported problem, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now, if you've downloaded Truecaller from any third-party websites, then what you need to do is just simply tap and hold on to your Truecaller and then go with the app info and uninstall Truecaller at first. After uninstalling your Truecaller, you need to go back and open up your Play Store. From the Play Store, you need to search for Truecaller. Once you've searched, now you need to install Truecaller from your Play Store. And after installing Truecaller from your Play Store, your problem might be fixed. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is just go back to your Play Store. And here, if you have any updates, then you need to update your application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your settings. From the settings, you need to go with About Phone, and under About Phone, if you have any updates on your software or your system, then you just need to simply go and update it. Once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. You can just restart your device, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.